To locate large intestine 11, bend your left elbow to 90 degrees. Large intestine 11 is found on the outside of your arm, halfway between the center of the elbow crease and the tip of your elbow. Press into this area and find a spot that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is large intestine 11. You might have to check slightly to one side or the other, or higher or lower. Stimulate large intestine 11 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tay shin, it might look like this. Now find large intestine 11